evening. This is Hélène from Voice of Mindfulness. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I have an announcement to make, so instead of posting in the community tab, I decided to create a video instead. Little video to tell you something. So, recently I asked you what content you would like to see more of, and the first one was more sleep hypnosis, like usual, more healing hypnosis, which I also do. The difference is that one is mostly sleep talk, the other one has a topic. The third one was audio-only hypnosis, and the last one was spiritual content. And I asked you that because the last two are something that I would like to do as well. As some of you may know, I'm a mindfulness and spiritual teacher, and I infuse my work with seeds of reflection and transformation for whomever needs it. So because the results were in majority for the sleep and healing hypnosis, I decided to create a new YouTube channel called Voice of Mindfulness Hypnosis. The handle is at Voice of Mindfulness Hypnosis, and you will find all the information down below this video. But this channel is audio only hypnosis infused with timeless and contemporary spiritual teachings and affirmations to reprogram your subconscious for change. And so if you like or need a visual, like on this channel, it won't be the case, so the new channel might not be for you, simply. Okay. But if you enjoy my voice and affirmations and hypnosis, then this is the perfect channel for you, okay? So come and say hello and tell me what you think. So it's brand new. Nobody is there right now, or small amount, I guess. we'll see where it goes, okay? I'm also opening different social media accounts to create short content about spirituality and self-empowerment and things like that. So if you like to hang out in some of the platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, then you can follow me there, because soon I'll be posting some stuff that also could be complementary to what I tell you also on this channel here. If you want, see if it benefits you and let me know. Okay, my darling. So a new YouTube channel and doing more of the things that I love. My spiritual path is probably the most important thing in my life, and since my awakening that I had 7 or 8 years ago now, 2015. So since then I became a mindfulness teacher and a professional producer of guided meditations, and I have a lot to say, and I think that online is a great way to spread the seeds of reflection and maybe hopefully transformation all over the place, like this. I blow them in the universe, and whomever needs it, it's gonna be there if you wish. If you enjoy just relaxation, so you don't have to listen to what I say, you can just hear my voice helping you to relax and go deeper and deeper into relaxation, waves of relaxation. It is time for you to sleep, so relax and close your eyes as I help you fall asleep for the last minutes of the video. Relax. If you want more relaxation, I have the perfect video for you right here. Just click and fall asleep